Hello everyone, today we are at Sattva Gold Summit apartment located on Hennur Main Road, Bangalore. This is a 12 years old apartment and we have recently started an end-to-end renovation of 4 bathrooms along with bedroom modification project. I am Pawan Kumar, welcome back to your channel Coucal Interiors Bangalore. Let's get into the video.
Since this apartment is over a decade old, the bathrooms had outdated tiles, old plumbing lines, worn out fittings and seepage issues.
Now the demolition work is in progress. Just have a look. In this project, this space was originally a maid's room with an attached bathroom. So, what exactly are we doing here? First, we are closing the existing maid's room door with proper block work.
Next, we are providing a new entry from the bedroom by carefully demolishing a section of this wall.
But wait, we never start demolition blindly.
Before touching any walls, we thoroughly check the structural safety to ensure that it is not a load-bearing wall. We verify the structural drawings and confirm all safety points before proceeding.
Only after receiving proper structural clearance, we'll start the demolition work.
And one more important thing, this flat is located on the 15th floor of a high-rise apartment.
High-rise renovation requires careful planning, discipline and professional execution. That's exactly what we deliver. This small structural modification is going to completely transform the functionality of this bedroom. Stay tuned to see full transformation. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more content on old home renovation, structural modification, bathroom renovation, kitchen renovation and interior design updates. We are old home renovation company in Bangalore. We don't just renovate space, we elevate lifestyle. What are you waiting for? Give us a call today. Thank you.